Bad deal. Opposition blasts agreement with New Day Bauxite Company. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, restaurants welcome plastic ban but nervous about the future as many non-plastic options are costly.
Motorists and vendors support government's plan to build a new bypass to skirt the Portia Simpson Miller Square.
Bloody rampage. Westmoreland bleeds. The church steps in to help.
And in business news, inflation still below central bank target.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we are asking, and we will get back to the feedback question in just a minute. But please, stay with us. The Primetime News package continues after this break.